Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's amazing episode. And in this episode, we try to make use of the eval function. This function allows to treat a string as though the actions of that string are executed not as a string, but then exactly how we would have wanted it to work. So let's say, for example, I have 2 plus 3, which is a string. If I try 2 plus 3 here as a string, it produces the same 2 plus 3 because strings cannot be just added in this format. But if I want it to take effect, I want it to produce a result, all I need to do is, okay, let me assign, we could just simply do this, eval on the 2 plus 3 as a string, and then that will definitely produce the output, which is 5. Okay, so let's say you have a sort of a string and you don't want to go back and then remove all your single quotes or double quotes from it. You can just make use of the eval and then it will treat it as per the action that's contained in there. All right, let's say we want to find the power. If I have something like this, say power of 3, 2, this should produce 9, that's 3 to the power 2, okay? But then if I store this as a string, it will still produce the same thing, power 3, 2. So let's assume I've stored this to a variable a, and I want to make use of the function as it is. Okay, then it means I have to make use of the eval on the a, and that will treat the power as the expression power of 3 to the power 2, and then it produces the output. Okay, so that's briefly how to use the eval function. We'll delve more into it hopefully in subsequent videos. I believe you had an amazing time watching this video. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified on any new tidbits we upload. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section and we'll address it. The team and myself would address it. And like we always say, it's always bigger at the top. It takes the little steps to get there. So push yourself with the little steps, get better. I hope to see you at the top. Have an amazing day and stay safe. Bye-bye.